beloved Philippines. In every wave of the deep blue sea, I hear my homeland singing to me. In Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, stand tall, in our dances rhyme. We dance like we're born to dance it. In streets burst with fierce music and karaoke. In food so yummy, our culture glows in the sunlight. Through every morning and every night, our country still shines like no other. Poem title, My Beloved Philippines. Type of poem, rhyming descriptive. What Afro-Asian culture would you highlight? Philippine culture. What mood will the reader express and why? Joyful, inspired, and proud. Because the poem talks about happy traditions, honor, and beautiful beaches. The number of stanza is 3. Rhyme scheme. A, B for each stanza. What tone do you want to convey in the poem? Proud and loving towards the Philippines. What symbol will you use? Blue sea, natural beauty. Dances, tradition and unity. Day and night, love for the country. Food and karaoke, bonding with each other. Thank you.